Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can delete a comment on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then find the post on which you have commented. Then tap on comment icon. After that, you can see a comment on top. Long tap on it. Then you can see the option of delete. Tap on it. So this is how you can delete a comment on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.